jelly object videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now, and these are honestly some of the most satisfying and oddly mesmerizing pieces of content you will ever come across. And look at this Instagram page, 75,000 followers built purely by posting this one exact style of content, and almost every other video on this page is sitting at thousands and millions of views consistently. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. So without wasting a single second, let me show you how you can create these for completely free right now. First, head over to ChatGPT and paste this prompt you're going to find in the description below. ChatGPT will instantly give you 30 cute objects and animals to use. Pick any one you like and keep it ready. Then head over to Flow AI and choose Omni Flash as your video model, along with your other desired settings. Then paste this prompt, again, you're going to find it in the description below, then erase the brackets/object part and head back to ChatGPT and copy the object or animal you picked and paste it on the object brackets area, and click generate. And in just a few seconds, the video is ready. Let's take a look. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe so that you never miss the new viral video ideas the moment they drop.